Today we have to talk about internet. Everyone knows what is the value of internet nowadays in present situation I am talking about. Not only for the people, for the country. Those country wanted to develop their economy, their communication, everything all depend on internet. One country never can't run without internet. Every one of us nowadays connected with social media. We send and receive lots of mails and confidential information through Yahoo and Gmails. Without internet, all those things never can't possible. So without wasting time, let's come and have a look what is that internet actually is. Ever you thought who runs the internet? Who controls the internet worldwide? Maybe you will think all the internet provider company like Jio, Airtel, Viva, Zain, BSNL all controls the internet. But that's not a true fact. You always know if some other company close down, there is some other company take over on that, right? Maybe you will think government have all the controls on internet, but really that is not also a true fact. Yes, I agree. Government can block few websites, but all the website never at all. Might be you will think Google, Facebook, YouTube are the one who control over internet because they have the largest amount of data. Again, the answer is no, they don't have control on internet. You can make your private website and all these companies never can't access on your website page. Okay, let's come. Don't make it so complicated. Just let's know about the internet first. In modern days, internet it's a very important tool to maintain freedom and democracy worldwide. Some of the country like China, they have blocked some certain websites like Google, YouTube and Facebook for their citizen permanently. In one word, Chinese governments want to brainwash its citizen in the particular way. In all over the world, all the servers and computers connected through wire network. Huge underwater cables have been laid worldwide across the continents, which connects all the computers worldwide with each other. So you can say this is the main base of internet. So of course you will think we are using mobile phones and they have no cable connected with, then how it's possible, right? For your kind information, all the mobile networks that may be 3G or 4G connected with mobile phone towers, and all these mobile towers or server connected with wire cable worldwide with each other. If you far from the mobile tower or server, you will automatically lose the network, right? So the main things we need to remember that each and every country network is connected with cable wire. Did you heard about ISP, which stand for Internet Service Provider? Yes, they have significant power as they are providing networks to the specific areas. For the quick reference, if government have restricted or blocked some specific website, you can unlock it using VPN. There is one top level authority. The name is ICANN, which stand for Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number. This is a non-profit organization based on Los Angeles. They are considered as the top authority as they have the power to authorize websites like GoDaddy.com to sell the domain names. So overall we can say no one is the god of internet. Everyone and no one have the control on internet. You can own internet when you have your private website. And to make your own website, you need to buy a domain name and a server. That's it. You are going to get the control of your internet on your own hand. Some other day we will talk about domain names and website, how we will get set up all of those things. If you like all the information as I told you, you can give me a like to my page, and if you want you can subscribe my channel as well. So let's see you some other day with some different information. For that time, take care. Bye bye.